be lighter. Yeah.
Into
The
the
espresso mix.
The egg yolk with the sugar to make it lighter, like one.
We have our mascarpone. So next I need to put that in the whisking bowl. And I need 1 tablespoon of rum. And I whisk it together. Mix it. Yeah. Mix until the texture is smooth.
So I'm mixing the mascarpone and
the
egg
egg
yolks
yolks.
with sugar. Yeah.
Okay, what are you doing? Tell me.
I'm whisking. What cream is this?
Whipping cream.
Yeah, I'm whipping the
I am
cream.
whipping and whisking the whipping cream.
And done. Okay, hold it over your head. Check. Upside down, sir.
Really?
Yes.
You're serious?
Yeah, I am quite
I have
serious.
a phone call after this. I
No,
trust
you'll be
you.
fine. Try. Just trust me. Just trust me.
Yeah.
Oh, voila.